I'm gonna show you how to open an account on Trading 212. So to get started, you have to open any browser that you like, and then from there you just have to type in app.trading12.212.com. And then from there you just gonna need to click an open account, and then select all your necessary details from here, from countries, then agree. And then from here you just have to select an account which you want to do, which is invest or CFD or trade long or certain leverage. So for me, I'm just gonna choose trade long or CFD, for I want to trade onto leverages. So from there you just have to input your login details, your email, and then after you input your email right there, I'm gonna go to password. Make sure that your password must meet their conditions, and then from there you just have to I accept the terms and then policy, and then after that you have to click on create account. And then on the next step it will redirect you to another notification, which you, if you want to allow it or not. So I'm just gonna click not now, and then press OK. And then from there you will be now redirected to their homepage, and then from there again they will notify you if you want to set up your account or practice with virtual money. You can either set up your account, just input all of the necessary details from there. You can verify the identity and then add funds. For me, I'm just gonna go with practice with virtual money. Then after that, you have now your account Trading 212. And then from here you can either switch to real money if you want to, change your account into real money or from your paper trading. So that's how to open an account on Trading 212.